Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to reduce tokens usage in Claude Code. Claude Code uses tokens for prompt responses, file contents, command outputs, and tool uses. Reducing token uses can help lower costs and make systems more efficient, especially when working on large projects. So the first thing is to be specific with your requests. Instead of asking, for example, review my entire code base, you can write down this: review the authentication module for security issues. Like, you want to let him know what this code base is for and to review it as it is something that is made for X matter. More focused prompts require less context and fewer tokens. Since literally if you ask like review my entire code base, it could give you a rate for the code base itself, not about its functions. So you need to really give him all the context for it. The second thing is to use plan mode before making changes. For large tasks, start in plain mode. So you literally could go to your Claude Code and write down this permission code. So permission mode plain. So what it does, Claude can analyze the project and create a plan before editing files, reducing unnecessary retrieves and extra token usage. Other than that, you could use the compact. So in case you had a long conversation where you had many things, so in this situation, like for example here, let's say for example, like this one, I've asked him about how can I stay awake and some stuff like that. The conversation is way too long. So in this situation, you need to use the compact. A conversation grows more, and as the conversation grows, the more tokens are going to be consumed. So use the /compact command. This replaced the detailed conversation history with a summary while preserving important information. And in general, once you used all of these and use the MDK file, you will be able to reduce, or the MD file, you will be able to reduce the token uses by a lot. And one more information: in case you had the effort at the maximum, make it to the medium or high, since the effort also uses the tokens by a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.